I'm sick of daydreaming, I just want the feeling of you in my bed.
Yeah. This whole outfit was inspired by car seats and outfit that car seats.
You'll have. She wants. Oh, you're like. They were like. They didn't say one negative comment to anyone. Hey guys, so we just finished our final panel ever. Billy, everyone. Everyone did so well. Everyone slayed the game today. We are done. We're at Mr. Percival's celebrating because we have finished forever. Okay, goodbye. Hey y'all. So today is literally the day after my last presentation ever for uni, but I still have a lot of things to finish for the runway that we're having. That's in like 2 weeks time, so I still have like 3 garments to make, and probably if I have time I might make some more accessories. But today I am going to meet my photographer for assessment. I just did my photo shoot by myself because I didn't have my garments finished yet, so I didn't want to pay for a photographer just yet because I wasn't ready to invest. I think I'm going to be shooting my collection at the end of next month. Yeah, it just feels so surreal that I don't have any more assignments or presentations left. The lighting keeps changing, so I don't really know what to do. But yeah, we have fittings on Monday, so I want to try and get my things done, my new top done by then. The other 2 garments that I make are going to be quite flexible to fit anyone, so it should be fine. But if I can get those done too, that'd be nice, but that's a bit ambitious. So this is what I'm wearing today. I'm running late. So this little knit top and then these pants, and then just have some jewelry on to match. Okay, I'm gonna head out now.
Simon, do you rinse the pasta?
No.
Oh.
You don't rinse the pasta?
I didn't rinse it yet. Oh. She's looking good.
My dinner is served. So I have a lot of things to do today. I'm going to make my breakfast, and then I have to go vote, and then I need to get some makeup and skincare because I am running very low on it, and then I need to go to studio and try and finish my top because yesterday I literally got nothing done after I met my photographer. So I'm going to try and be productive today. For breakfast I'm going to make avocado on toast. This is my really lazy guac on toast, but what makes it better is this sweet chili sauce. I just drizzle it over. Is it weird if this is right in the middle?
if I put these two a bit higher, and then I can still have a dart like boom there.
Hey guys, today is Sunday, a day before fittings, and as you saw earlier, I tried to finish and make a top for tomorrow, but I don't know if it's just me being at home, I just wasn't able to do anything. I basically felt really lethargic and I just went to sleep. So I don't know, since assessment all my motivation is gone. I just think it's my body telling me that it wants to rest. But tonight we just had a dinner and I'm just getting ready for that. Since I don't have a top for the fitting tomorrow, I'm just going to have to take the measurements and try and make the top fitted to the model. So one of the panel members for our studio assessment was generous enough to shout dinner for all of us. So yeah, going to get free dinner. I'm really excited about that. That's probably the highlight of my day today. I am all ready to leave now. I'm just wearing this blue set and then taking this bag to the dinner. I just don't really have anything to wear and I just figured this is the most suitable for the place that I'm going to. Bye bye.
That's a really popular one.
So I'm alone in the studio because I'm still trying to figure out a top. But I have no idea what I'm doing. I feel like I'm just wasting my time, so I don't know if I should go home. We had our fittings today and those are all the racks of our clothes. But yeah, that is my mess there. There is my airbag over there that I try to drape, but nothing's coming to my head at the moment. I'm just really unmotivated right now. Do I go home or do I stay? I just have no idea what I'm doing. I need to use these and make something. I don't know. So I just come back tomorrow and start fresh. Even if I come back tomorrow, I probably still can't do anything. I don't know. Today I'm going to go back to uni and try and continue the top that I am working on. I'm really grateful because I was able to work things out. Today is the day before we start runway filming. I am finishing off little bits and bobs from my collection. I have to finish this top. I'm just adding in the studs. But yeah, I've just been procrastinating for the past like 20 minutes. So I need to finish off these studs and then move on to my bag. So this is the final top. They're obviously a bit big on me because the models are a lot taller and bigger, so they'll fit this nicely. Now that I finished my top, I'm going to have some dinner. So I ordered some chicken noodle soup and she looks so good.
I just moved my car and I just came in and started eating, so I was like, I need to have a meal before I start my bag, so mentally prepare myself, physically prepare myself. Oh, didn't even get to cut these yet. I don't want to be kicked out.
We get together, so you're good, right?
Yeah,
We wouldn't get kicked out.
I'm saying when I'm alone.
No, I was saying like I could stay a bit longer.
No, oh my gosh, go home. I can do this tomorrow. Like, I'm sure pressure will help me like zoom through it. Zoom. We'll be good. Oh my gosh, I am so red. Don't know why. So I am home now and it is 11:30 and tomorrow is our first filming day for the runway and I'm really anxious and nervous, so I need to get to sleep soon. I was supposed to kind of get half a bag done today, but that didn't happen. Hopefully after filming tomorrow I can get to making the bag, but if I don't finish it then I'm not putting too much pressure on myself. I got my top done today though. That was my #1 priority because the pants didn't have a top, so I'm just honestly really excited to get things over and done with because most of my looks are being filmed tomorrow. I just keep procrastinating going to bed, but I should really go to bed because I have to go to uni by 9. I am going to bed now. Bye.
I'm down to just waste time right below your waistline. Want you by my head. I'm done with all this FaceTime.